Greetings everybody, and today we will be discussing about how to connect Namecheap domain to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So let's just begin. You can see currently I'm on Namecheap, and make sure that you have your account already logged in, and whatsoever domain that you have purchased, that is a completely different story. If you want some help regarding how to purchase or register your domain on Namecheap, let us know in the comments below. I will make a video into that as well. Once you get your domain from Namecheap, you need to head over to your Shopify section and then head over to your settings from the bottom left side of your screen, and there you can see we have this set of tabs on the left side. And from here we are going to be heading over to domains under apps and sales channels. Click on domains, and we have two different options. Either we can purchase a domain from Shopify itself or connect an existing domain. So it could be a third party. You can see purchase from a third party, and let me highlight that. So you can easily get yourself connected by using this connect existing domain feature. Enter in here your Namecheap domain and go through a quick verification process, and you will be able to connect your domain. So that's how you do it, and that is it for this video, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.